Ananda 100%. Resolve number 3. Because you have to be a role model. Again, I told you, you can become a role model by fighting different wars. We were just checking the data. Out of 44,000 CM Club members in the country, only 783 were Karopatis. Karopati, you know? Because maybe in South there's some understanding. 1 crore premium and above. Out of 44,000, only 700. Are you a role model?
Yes.
No, yes.
Yes.
Who says yes?
Role model.
Nobody. Friends, in this war also, my CM Club members, see friends, one thing I will tell you, this club membership scheme is, I think, the most unique scheme in the entire country in any commercial organization, financial or commercial organization, where our intermediaries are given a status by qualifying for different level of parameters like DM Club member, DM Club member, ZM Club member, and Chairman Club member. Your name is associated with none other than the chairman of the corporation. Whether you should be role model or not, that you tell me. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is the condition for yes? Yes. This is a club, not my club, this is CEO's club. You should be role model everywhere. Friends, you are the topmost class of intermediary that we have. Friends, we should honor that. And this Kronopati, only 783, I expect all of you, at least those who are sitting here in this August hall today, on 20th November 2025 at Billion Convention Center, Indore, in the vicinity of Lord Mahandal, to take an oath, yes, I will become a Kronopati agent. How many want to become? How many want to become? Everybody, let us give a big round of applause for those who are taking oath today. Another thing, friends, centurions, very dicey kind of thing, because number of lives has been the power of CM Club members, and we see only 4,400, meaning only 10% are Shatakis, centurions. Friends, this goes against the basic structure of club membership. If we are not able to do even 2 policy a week, how many weeks are there? 52. 2 weeks for your holiday. 50 weeks are there. 2 policy per week means 100 policy in a year. If I am a professional agent, if I am representing the highest club of LIC, if I have to become a role model in the corporation, then my next job should be to do at least 2 policy in 1 week. This simple calculation will take you to Shatakveer, and then we can say, yes, our club members are not club worthy, condition B, or from somewhere else they have come, they are real role models. And but third one, last but not the least, and very important, friends, we have only 3,200 MDRTs out of 44,000. Friends, MDRT is a foreign organization, you understand that, but by doing MDRT, you become entitled to 1 crore of income. You calculate, today there is a very less time, I just give you an idea. If you do MDRT once, you are ensuring 33 lakhs income for you. If you are doing MDRT thrice, you are ensuring an income of 1 crore for you. Simple idea I will give you. For earning minimum criteria of 11 lakhs, you will have to do premium of 4 times of that, 3 times of that, and then you will get the renewal commission. So 1 MDRT means straight away 33 lakhs, 3 MDRT, 1 crore. You don't go by yearly December closing, you don't go by March closing, you go by number of MDRT rotation wise. 1 MDRT, 33 lakhs for me. Another MDRT, you do twice a month or you do 6 months in 6 months, depends on you. But my dear friends, 3 MDRT means straight away 1 crore. If you want this calculation, I can give you later on. So friends, I'll expect all of you to become a role model in this battlefield also, MDRT. We should be able to say with proud that the biggest chunk of MDRT comes from my prestigious CM Club members. Do you assure me or not? Do you assure me?
Sure.
Friends, recently, many new plans have been launched. One of them is Bima Rashmi. Can a role model be there who is not even looking at our new plan? When should a CM Club member sell a new plan? On the same day? Next day? How many for same day? How many for same day? Only one? 2, 3, 4, 5, but not many. I don't know what it's inhibiting you from raising your hand.